internship program. The mentors and the experts taught Python programming languages from scratch. That is, from starting from the basics and importing necessary libraries for data analysis, etc. This each and every classes is we have given me a takeaway which would be useful for my future interview purpose and knowledge to enhance it. It has been a great time to enhance my knowledge in data science, and also at the end of the internship training program, they enrooted us to examine a data set on ourselves and do an analysis and they apply some data science techniques to find some conclusion or interpretation of the particular data set. And it gave me a great experience to exactly know how to work on a data and what are the difficulties I would be facing. It has been pinpointed by I had faced while through this process before submission of the project, was being indicated by my mentor. Like some corrections were being said before my final project submission, and I hope I have rectified those mistakes and submitted the required documents on time.